What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in this video we are going to Florida, Orlando for a week. So if you want to see what we did, where we stayed, what we ate, keep watching. And if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, and put your notification on. Let's go. We finally landed in Tampa. We're going to Orlando, so we had a rental car, which was a great idea, especially if you're doing a family trip. The place we rented was very recommended from the reviews, so I'm excited for our journey. Keep watching if you are excited too. So it was about an hour drive from Tampa to Orlando. Very cool to see the scenery. Oh, what a vibe. Wow. So I feel like we started. Hola guys. Welcome to the vlog in Orlando, Florida. Landed today. About to go get some food. Just saying what's up. I'm gonna get you guys later. It's very nice. As you can see from the background, I am loving the view. So I'll catch you guys later. After checking in, we came to the mall. It was really fun. I like where our hotel was because there were so many things to see already. The mall, this sugar store full of candies that I wanted to buy almost the whole store. So I'm already enjoying my moment, and we haven't even started having our plans yet. This is just cruising around. Let's talk. I got this really yummy. Hopefully my straw doesn't fall off. I got this really yummy drink, and I can't wait to try. So we walked all day, got hungry. I wanted to try Chick-fil-A for the first time. Like, what's the hype? We ordered, and I think it was pretty much an 8 out of 10. I just had breakfast. I found this little picture book. So breakfast was good. I got a little banana and orange, and this is me just chilling. I can't wait to start the day. I'm gonna go back to my hotel, in my room. On our first activity, we went to the boat tour. It takes you to the lakes of Florida. You can see stunning mansions, lush vegetation. It's a great way to relax and enjoy the beauty of Florida. This streets is full of like food and like things like that, you know? I like the vibe of these streets.
Thank you. It's a little sweet.
So after eating, we went for a relaxing walk into the park. It is so beautiful. This is a park that is known for its beauty. So many plants. It just has like beautiful, peaceful walking path. So it was a great way to end our day strolling in this peaceful, beautiful botanical park. It's a whole nother day, and it's date night. We are going to Capa, a beautiful restaurant located on the hotel. A dining experience like no other. I mean, it's breathtaking, beautiful views. The food is like Spanish inspired menu. I mean, just go there and enjoy. Guys, I told you guys I was getting ready to come out. Here we are. We are at the Disney Resort Four Season Restaurant, and yeah, it is super gorgeous. And we're just waiting for them to give us a table. I don't even know. The camera is not doing this any justice. It's like, whoa, dreaming. I mean, look at the view. I don't want to talk too much. The camera is not even doing justice. It's so beautiful. The lights at night are just like breathtaking. I mean, the beautiful experience doesn't end there because there are fireworks at the end of the night. I mean, just go there if you're celebrating or just wanting a good date night like us. It was gorgeous. Good morning. We are now on our way to Legoland, another park for kids. So far, I just want to say I'm enjoying my trip to Florida. We did so much already, as you can see in the video. We are on the go, and like I said, having a car is a breeze because it's just easier to move around from point A to point B. So this park that we are going right now is more kids friendly. So it's a family day. It's a day that we relax and we just let the kid have their moment, if you have kids. So in Legoland, we went to Peppa Pig Park. I think my poopage had an amazing time, and I guess mommy had an amazing time too. Hello guys, welcome to the SeaWorld. So we at the SeaWorld attraction park in Orlando. My camera moves so much. I can't even hold it still. Yeah, this is a little better. So at the SeaWorld, like I said, let's go in and have some fun. I'm gonna bring you guys home. I dressed up as a schoolgirl. Not really. Not really, but my schoolgirl skirt outfit of the day. Let's go. At the SeaWorld, we are looking at gators, whales, dolphins. We went to a show. We were actually schooled to on sea life, the danger and everything that they're going through at this moment. So I think it was great learning experience and a good family day. So guys, I don't know what got into me. I decided to go on a roller coaster. I haven't been in one in years. So here I am dragging myself on this roller coaster, scared, but I'm going. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so scared actually. So I survived the roller coaster. Story time. I wanted to literally get out. I was screaming on top of my lungs. Thank God I didn't take any pictures because I looked so insane. But anyways, there is a Sesame Street show for babies and kids, and another show for whales. Like I said, it was educational. It was great. I've never seen a whale so close. They're so big. So that was a fun day. So I recommend this park for sure. Next day, today is a day for grown adults. Today is a day for drinks. We're going to Topgolf, and it was a nice place. Um, for food, I was practicing my swing. Um, really great staff, friendly people. I think it had the best food as well. Like the food was so delicious. So yeah, definitely another like 9 out of 10 experience. I liked how relaxed it was, and I was able to just put my hair down and enjoy myself and have a drink. It was great. It's shopping day the next day. The trip is not completed until we shop. This is a huge outlet with so many designer stores. It's like exhausting big. We finally made it into a couple stores. I decided on Prada that I'm gonna get my first Prada item. I was so happy. Yeah, it's official. We're Prada gang.
Away. Panda. We're going to Panda, but this is like a little food plaza type of vibe. And yeah, we're gonna grab ourselves some Panda Espresso.
Panda Espresso was one of my least favorite food in Florida. Yeah, like very much a 4 out of 10. But I was hungry, so it was. This is our last activity, the beach. Save the best for last. Daytona Beach. We're on our way, and we can't wait to visit this famous and popular beach. Now guys, I'm having a good old time. Mind you, in Canada right now it's freezing, so yeah. On our way back, we went to the biggest gas station. I was able to try their sandwich and grab some gifts. So it's the end already. The next day we are going back home. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching my Orlando, Florida vlog. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe if you're not already. Like this video, and I will catch you on the next vlog. Bisous.